good. You seem really nice. You should stick up for yourself more.
What do you mean?
I mean, you monkeys are always quiet. People think you're not smart, but I don't. I like monkey.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Are you ESL?
Not anymore.
I used to be ESL in elementary school. There was a lot of monkeys in my class that didn't like me, but after a while we became friends.
You were in ESL? How come?
Because I'm from Liberia. Hi, my name is Frankie, by the way. Don't worry, I won't let Letitia give you any trouble.
Thanks, Frankie. That's so nice of you.
You're welcome.
Why do you talk like this? Why do you talk like this? Why do you talk like this?
Mr. Man.
Hi, is your mom and dad around? Yes.
Okay, you need to come. You have to come into the door. Is your mom and dad around? Hiding outside.
Thought I was standing tall. I thought I seen it all. But baby, I was wrong. 'Cause you're the greatest. I walked 1,000 miles.